Does your auto heat press struggle with pressure? Well, I'm here to show you a heat press which fixes that issue, and it's the MakerFlo heat press. This thing is brand new. They've recently just released it, and the really cool feature is that you can set the pressure. I had an old clamshell heat press where I would burn my arm constantly, and I would struggle to get my DTF prints to stick to my garments. So once I saw them release this heat press, I knew I had to have it, so I picked one up. So let's unbox it, and I'm gonna show you how it works. So this is the MakerFlo Auto Heat Press, and this thing I'm so excited about unboxing because you can change the pressure on this automatic heat press, which is really awesome. It comes with an instruction manual, it comes with heat gloves, so your hands are gonna stay safe, and it comes with the power cord. And the really cool thing is, if you're a first-time customer for MakerFlo, you can use my code and get $10 off. The styrofoam sandwiches this thing so well, and it just looks so gorgeous. I love that striking white color. And of course it has their iconic logo in there as well. So the bottom drawer pulls out, which makes it so you're not gonna burn yourself, and it comes with this really cool white Teflon sheet. So basically it comes with everything you need right off the bat to use it, and the cushion on the bottom is nice and thick, and so you shouldn't have any problem pressing anything. All right, so this machine comes with this really great manual, and you can look through it and get all the information that you need. And so I'm just going to reach back here and flip the on switch. And then it will take a second. And then once you're ready to use it, we hit this play pause button, and that'll turn on our control panel. And the really cool thing that I really like about this compared to some of the other ones is it has 6 different modes, where there's mode 1 and it has different settings of temperature and time for different things. So if you reference the manual, like mode 1 says it's for DTF transfers and HTV. Mode 2 is shirts, leather, acrylic. Mode 3 is glass ornaments and an MDF panel. 4 is a photo for slate, and then you can customize it as much as you want. The other thing I really like about this automatic heat press is you can change the pressure. So you can hit this button, and the lowest is 40 kilograms, 60, and then 80. So that's really cool, because I know in the past there's been issues with these automatic heat presses not having enough pressure. So for the HTV we are going to press, I am going to hit the temperature button, and I'm going to bring this down to about 315, maybe 318, and then I'll hit the temperature button again, so it will start heating up to that. For my time, I'm going to click this little clock, and then I'm going to bring this down to 15 seconds because that is all that is needed. And then we can hit the clock again. And then for the pressure, I want medium pressure. And it has a really cool batch printing mode where it has this continuous circle. And then once you hit this continuous mode, then you can just constantly be putting in new shirts and you won't have to think about much else. And it's really cool because MakerFlo has given us this kind of cheat sheet guide to all the different settings we need. And this is actually heating up pretty fast. My favorite part of this whole thing is that this bottom pulls out. And then, so I am no longer going to burn myself on my clamshell press where I have to stick my hand underneath the heat plate. So it will beep at you when it's done, which is really cool. All right, so now let's pull this out. And then I am just going to put my garment underneath here and hit play. So I'm going to do just a pre-press to get all the moisture out of there. So just about 5 seconds, and I'll hit this button, and then it will lift itself back up. And then we can pull it out, and that looks great. So all that surface moisture is out, and I just want to make sure that this is as close to the middle as possible. Then we'll take my HTV transfer here, and then I'm going to do just a 3-finger kind of spacing. And then you know what? I'm just going to go for it. So let's push that back in, and then let's hit start. I love that this is automatic. This is like the coolest thing ever to me. This is so futuristic. So it beeps to let you know it's done. Then we can pull it out. All right, and then this is a warm peel. So when I peel these back, I go down and at an angle just to make sure nothing is popping up, because I want to make sure that this looks great. So down and at an angle. So with HTV normal HTV, it is a hot peel, and that looks amazing. So we are going to do a second press. And then we are gonna just put a Teflon sheet over it. Now it did come with a Teflon sheet, but I left it in the garage by accident. So I'm just gonna make sure this is fully covered, and then we can push it back in. Then we can hit the button again. All right, and that's ended. Then we can pull this out, and that looks amazing. Go pick up this heat press. Well guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I have links to everything down below. Let me know if you have any questions or if you're gonna pick up one of these for yourself, because I really think you should, because not many of them have this adjustable pressure feature. But I'll catch you guys on the next one. See ya!